Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I want to share with you how to create this mirror console. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you here. Let's get started. Okay, so now it's time to work on this area. I know that every space in your home don't need to have something, but this space, since I removed the table and completed my fireplace with that, it looks empty without anything here. I wish in my mind I could just leave it like this, but it just looks incomplete. All right, so this is the little space going into my bedroom. Now, with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and use the stand that I had my original fireplace on and see if I can create a mirrored stand here, so I won't have to go and buy anything. So that's what I'm about to start working on, and just create another little table. Hey, you can see the fireplace in the mirror a little bit. Anyways, that's what I'm about to do. Start working and creating me a mirrored table. Okay, so here are my larger pieces. I should have 4 larger pieces for the side and like that. So this is what I have, and only thing that's different, because at first I had, you know, a TV sitting on here, so now I have to make sure it's completely like look closed off, or you know, just a nice smooth surface. I'm still going to put the whiteboard back on here, just one, so I'll have some type of base to sit inside of here. And again, this is the Ikea Vittsjio little inexpensive desk that we're just going to use as a frame. And I'm going to try to clean up some of the glue that was on here previously. But there we go, we're going to start. Okay, so this is what I have done so far, and I still have this scrap here. I think I'm missing another larger piece. 3 little pieces on. Now I have to figure out how to finish this off, and then I'm gonna finish the strips and stuff, so you won't see like the gaps and things. So there you have it, making us a mirrored table or console. Okay, so this is how much I've gotten accomplished. I was able to get most of the front covered up. Now I just have this little gap. I'm just gonna take this little strip, and there you have it. It'll be closed up, and then I'll just go back and add another strip on this crease right here, and we'll be almost to the home stretch of finishing up this little mirror DIY console. Okay, I'm not sure if you'll see where I added on the strips. It's 4 strips there. I'll have to wait till I finish, and now I'm gonna work on the top part. But yeah, it's 4. And then I'm breaking glass, so look at that, I have a mess right here. And now I have all these scraps here, and now I have to figure out how to situate them up here on the top part. So that's what I'm doing, just going through and seeing what I have left that's not broke or whatever. Yeah. Okay, here is the table I created. I'm not 100% loving it, but it's here. It's something just to get me through until I figure out or come across something else that I would love and fit here in the space. Here is an up close of how the tabletop looks here on the top. Once I find some more pretty candles like this matches well for now, but I do want to find more candles. And here are the candlesticks that I said I would add here after I took the wreath away, but they look so good now, so I added it here. I had to add these little sticker things that I got from Hobby Lobby just to close off the top of it, but this is it. I'm going on the side so you can see it. Okay, and this is how it looks on the side, just like that. So yeah, super cute. Yeah, you know, and then this is just the garland that's been here, and because of the this board, it made just a little bit of a gap right there. Nothing too crazy, but it's there. This is it. This is my DIY console table. Is 40 and the width is 15 inches or like 15 and a half inches, something like that, but it's really nice. And here's the mirror that's always been here. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed, and maybe go create you a mirror table if you need to fill in some space. Again, this mirror is from Lowe's. This is probably like 2 sheets of mirror or something, but this is all my repurposed glass or mirror from my mirrored fireplace. So I just reused what I had around here. Didn't have to spend any more money to create this little table. I love that. So use what I have until I found something else. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. You can see I did the same thing. I overlapped strips of mirror on the top. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 strips up there. Bye.